It's time to toss that old bottle in the back of your cupboard and upgrade your cooking with some fantastic oils. We'll be counting down from number 5 to the ultimate oil for your culinary needs. So, put on your chef's hat, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Time's ticking and your taste buds are ready. Let's dive in. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss a single drop of this delicious journey. At number 5, we have the Don, the Godfather, the big cheese of the oil world, olive oil. This Mediterranean gem isn't just tasty, it's really good for you too. Loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, olive oil is like a workout for your arteries. Picture a rustic Italian kitchen, the smell of fresh herbs and tomatoes in the air. That's the magic of olive oil. Use it to drizzle over salads, pasta dishes, or just dip some crusty bread into it. But remember, olive oil is delicate. Don't blast it at high heat, okay? Treat it with care, and it will reward you with flavor and health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and improve heart health. So, make sure to keep this Italian stallion in your kitchen for a touch of Mediterranean magic. Whether you're cooking up a storm or just adding a finishing touch, olive oil is your go-to. Embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle and let olive oil be your culinary companion. Did you know olive oil is also great for your skin? Its moisturizing properties can give you a healthy glow. Plus, it's incredibly versatile in cooking. From sautéing to baking, olive oil can do it all. And let's not forget its benefits for heart health. Regular consumption can help lower bad cholesterol levels. So, whether it's for your heart, your skin, or your culinary adventures, olive oil is a must-have. Keep this liquid gold in your kitchen and enjoy the myriad of benefits it offers. Next, let's head to a tropical paradise and dive into the wonders of coconut oil. It's solid at room temperature but melts into a clear liquid when heated, like a culinary Clark Kent. Perfect for frying, baking, or even spreading on toast. It adds a subtle sweetness and a hint of the tropics to your breakfast. For all you bakers, coconut oil is a game changer. It brings richness and moisture to cakes, cookies, and even your morning granola. Plus, it's a healthier alternative to some of those other fats in your pantry. You can even add it to your smoothies for an extra energy boost. And don't forget, it's great for your skin and hair too. Use it as a hair treatment for shiny, healthy locks. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any kitchen. And if you love massages, coconut oil is perfect for a relaxing, aromatic experience. You can even use it to make homemade candles for a tropical ambiance, or drizzle it over your salads for a unique twist. Truly, coconut oil is a tropical transformer in your kitchen. Rich in medium-chain triglycerides, coconut oil can boost your metabolism and provide a quick source of energy. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for cooking. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which can help improve cholesterol levels and support heart health. Add a spoonful to your soups for a creamy texture and added health benefits. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. And don't forget, it's a fantastic addition to salad dressings for a tropical twist. With so many health benefits and versatile uses, coconut oil truly is a tropical transformer in your kitchen. Number 3. Avocado oil, the rock star of the oil scene. This oil can handle high heat with its impressive smoke point, making it perfect for searing, frying, and all kinds of high-temperature cooking. It's loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, so you can feel great about using it on salads, in smoothies, or even as a skin and hair moisturizer. Don't be surprised if you start receiving compliments on your glowing skin. Plus, its mild flavor won't overpower your dishes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned chef, avocado oil is a must-have for its health benefits and versatility. From baking to grilling, this oil can do it all, making it an essential part of your culinary toolkit. Its high smoke point means you can use it for stir-frying without worrying about burning. And don't forget, it's also fantastic in marinades and salad dressings, adding a subtle, delicious flavor. Beyond the kitchen, avocado oil is a beauty secret, perfect for moisturizing and nourishing your skin and hair. You can even use it in DIY face masks and hair treatments for an extra boost of hydration. Incorporate it into your wellness routine by adding a few drops to your bath for a luxurious skin-softening experience. With its myriad of uses, avocado oil truly is the rock star of the oil scene, both in the kitchen and beyond. What's your favorite oil to use in the kitchen or for beauty routines? Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts to us. Number 2. Sesame oil, the Asian sensation. Coming in at number 2, we have the nutty and fragrant sesame oil from the Far East. This oil is a flavor powerhouse, adding a rich, earthy depth to stir fries, marinades, and sauces. Just a drizzle can turn a simple dish into an Asian-inspired delight. It's a favorite among chefs, and now you know why. Use it sparingly to add a touch of magic to your cooking, like a sprinkle of culinary fairy dust. Whether it's a quick stir-fry or a complex marinade, sesame oil brings a unique, nutty flavor that stands out. So, next time you're cooking, grab that bottle of sesame oil and let your taste buds explore the Far East. From traditional recipes to modern twists, sesame oil is versatile and essential in any kitchen. Toasting the seeds before pressing them enhances the oil's flavor, making it even more aromatic. Keep a bottle handy in your kitchen, and you'll always have a secret weapon for adding depth to your dishes. Not only is it delicious, but sesame oil is also packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Rich in omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E, it supports heart health and has anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating sesame oil into your diet can boost your overall well-being, making it a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Sesame oil is rich in antioxidants, helps in lowering blood pressure, and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is also known to improve skin health and boost hair growth. Let's dive into canola oil, the unsung hero of the kitchen. Canola oil might not be as glamorous as some other oils, but it's the dependable workhorse of the kitchen, the reliable friend you can always count on. With its neutral flavor and high smoke point, canola oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it for frying, baking, sautéing, and pretty much anything else you can imagine. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cooking oils. Canola oil is low in saturated fat and high in heart-healthy, unsaturated fats. So, go ahead, indulge a little, your heart will thank you. Plus, it's affordable and easy to find, making it a staple in many households. Whether you're making a salad dressing or frying up some crispy chicken, canola oil has got you covered. It's a kitchen essential that brings both health and flavor to your meals. And don't forget, its light texture makes it perfect for drizzling over fresh salads. So next time you're in the kitchen, reach for canola oil and enjoy its many benefits. Level up your cooking game. So there you have it, everyone. These are the top 5 oils that can transform your cooking. Don't hesitate to get out there and experiment. Try these oils in your kitchen, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cooking tips and tricks. The right oil can make all the difference in your cooking. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video. Remember, the right oil can elevate any dish. Keep experimenting and have fun in the kitchen.